How to delete reminders on your iPhone. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Pipin Misnel, and today I'll guide you on how you can delete or remove reminders on your iPhone. Well, the process itself is pretty simple and pretty easy, so let me guide you through. In order to remove the reminders on your iPhone, simply head over to your app library, right? And there you want to search in at the search bar for reminder, so you can type in reminders and you can tap on reminders and open it up. So here you can see today's reminders, scheduled and such. If you have any reminders that you would like to delete, simply head into the list, then tap on three dots at the top right, and then you can go ahead and first select it, right, then tap on three dots and then you can delete the list. So this way you can delete it. Similarly, if you head into schedule, then you can select it and then tap on three dots there. So first here you can select reminders, tap on select reminders, select every reminders, then tap on delete option there. So this is how you can delete the reminders in your iPhone. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.